call it murder.
Jamrock.
So today is day 3 of the Welcome to Jamrock Cruise, the 10th anniversary, and we are here docked in Cozumel, Mexico. A lot of stuff is supposed to be happening. Some people got off the boat, some people like us, we stayed on. We're going to walk around, do some interviews, see what we see what kind of stuff we could get into. So follow us with the journey and come along for day 3. Is this your first Welcome to Jamrock?
No, not my first, but my husband's.
Okay. How are you enjoying it so far?
Great times, great vibes, great energy, nonstop. The knees have given out on me a couple of times, but I'm doing good.
How are you enjoying it, boss?
Marvelous.
Yeah. Okay, the big question is, who are you looking forward to seeing before you get off of the ship?
Ooh, everybody actually.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Yeah. I think for me, the added spice, really ready for her. Tonight is the night.
Yeah. First time on a cruise?
Second time.
How are you enjoying this time?
You know what? It's good so far. You know, the lineup, who I wanted to see, is not here, but just making the best of it.
I would guess, if I was to guess who you wanted to see, probably Sizzla and Capitan.
Yes, you're for real. And you know what, Shaba?
He's here.
Yeah, he's here. Looking forward to work with him.
Is this your first Welcome to Jamrock Cruise?
This is our second.
Okay.
Yes.
How are you enjoying this cruise now?
We're loving it.
Yeah, it's been nice. It's been long, but it's been nice.
What brought you back a second time now?
Well, we really liked it the first time we came, which was 2023, and so this was a 10-year anniversary, so we figured it would be big.
How many times have you been on a cruise?
This is my 4th time.
Your 4th time?
Yes.
What continues to bring you back to the cruise?
The music. We just like to support.
How are you enjoying the cruise, sir?
I'm loving the cruise. My first time. I'm trying to get in for the last 10 years, but I finally made it.
Yeah.
Out of LA, representing the country of Belize. As always.
Yeah. First time on the boat?
No, about 5th time,
Okay.
Yeah, but a season traveler,
So what keeps bringing you back time after time?
My
again?
culture, man, the food, man, I meet people, man. I meet all you two, man. You know, I do the big interview with them. Enough time I there on board, I just watch your channel more time, and you connect me to the community, Are you in the top man, man? As much as you think, I done, man. Big up. So I go on muscle.
I'm good, boss. Yourself?
Watch the program all the time, man.
Yeah.
See how I go on. I'm glad I never have to follow that to Canada. We was there for the cruise for the water and Mexico.
Yeah.
All the vibes with muscle.
Yeah.
Big program. I love what you do. For music in general. I'm not going to say dancehall and reggae, which, that's the thing that mostly. When we give thanks, what the higher do for music, dancehall and reggae. And the extended one then. They don't know.
Is this your first time on Welcome to Jamrock?
Actually, no, that's actually my ninth year.
9?
Yes, sir. I miss up on 1 year when COVID just coming and yes, sir. Other than that, yes.
What keeps bringing you back time after time after time again?
Yeah, that's the vibe. Everybody straight, vibes, right, natural.
All right, so we're on the 10th annual Welcome to Jamrock Cruise, and right here we're with a performer that performed yesterday. Gave a wicked performance even though it was in the rain, but it was all good. We have Mr. Pressure with us. How are you doing, sir?
Blessed, man. Give thanks. Yeah.
All right. Is this your first time on the cruise?
Second time.
Second time. And how do you enjoy being on the Welcome to Jamrock Cruise? It's like a floating festival.
Yeah, definitely. It's great, being able to connect with the fans up close and personal, so, I don't really get to do that often. So, it's a blessed vibe. And of course, the music and the cruise is on a top level. Yeah. Big up to Junior Gang and the Marley family for putting this together for so long. This is the 10th year anniversary,
Could you imagine that 10 years of reggae music on the seas, boss?
Yeah. I seen it over and over, so I'm imagining it. Yeah, they made it possible. You know what I mean? Yeah, so now ghetto youths have bigger dreams now. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's a motivation and inspiration, and definitely something great for the generation.
This is Geefus from the World Immortal Stone. What's going on, boss?
Yeah, I'm there, the world greatest cruise. Once again, the Jamrock Reggae Cruise. Yeah, man. They are going to hold it, as usual.
How many times have you been on the cruise now, Geefus?
I started the cruise. So after 10 years. Yeah, 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah, man.
What's it been like, the evolution of the cruise since you've been on it?
Everything is, I mean, it's been growing every year, and entertainment, people, everything been growing, you know, because it starts small and then head to a large ship, you know, a small ship then into a large ship. So, but it's just about getting the people in our vibes, and it's entertainment, you know. So it's not really a vacation. So it's not like you come on the Jamrock Reggae Cruise and say you go on vacation and you have to try your best not to sleep. All they need sleep, but it's just 24 hours. Yeah. You hear and witness it. It's 24 hours entertainment and thing, and then everybody's family, you know.
What would you say is special about the Jamrock Cruise, being on a cruise like this?
All right, you see, the Jamrock Cruise is a different kind of vibe. When I say that, no disrespect to any of the cruise. When you see the Jamrock Cruise, you have so many diverse of people from all over the world. So this is one of the first cruises that I've been on that you see people from Europe, see people from Hawaii, see people from Japan, see people from here, from the States in New York, from Canada, and everybody. And the artist lineup, you know, they have the most artists. Because who have more links than the Marley Brothers? Who, talk truth or shame the devil? Who have more links than the Marleys them? Nobody. So anybody who want to see, just know 1 year or another, they will be on the Jamrock Cruise.
Okay, because I know tonight you're playing for Konshens tonight.
Yes, correct.
Okay, so Konshens, wicked artist, been doing this stuff from 19 how long?
Yes.
Besides Konshens now, I want you as a fan, who are you looking forward to see after you done work today?
All right. But I'm looking forward to see Valiant performing because I represent the new school too, so you know what I mean? Valiant them, big up Valiant them, and I'm looking to see Shabba Ranks. You know, an OG, a veteran.
Come on, bro.
So when Shabba run out there on a dancehall night, madness.
Mixmaster J, the general, the big bad general. What's going on, Jay?
Brother, everything is good. I'm blessed. I woke up, it's my earth strong. I have to give thanks for life. And also remembering that I have family in Jamaica where everybody's fretting and worrying, and so far so good. Yes, property's damaged and everything, but they have life. You know what I mean? So I have to give thanks. And I wake up this morning because I could be in Jamaica and it could be worse for me. We're here on the 10-year anniversary of the Jamrock Cruise. So as much as our thoughts and our minds are with Jamaica, we still have a job to do here, which is provide entertainment for the patrons from across the globe.
We represent for the Jamrock 10-year anniversary. Hold on. Only one Reds of choice still a flat. Reds, give me a break now, man. I'm a birthday. Give me a break now, man. Make the people hear me song, man.
Hold there. Mixmaster J. Make them know how you are play. I would have run for the man general on the body stage here. I don't talk. I go, hey, listen me now. We're there, we are alive, so let's give thanks and praise. I'm Mixmaster J. This, the English general. Yo, J, play with him. Come on, don't talk in the dark. Mother general. This, I would have run for the boy. Hold there. That is it. I'm Mixmaster J. This. Hold there. Yeah, Mixmaster J. Tell you. Say nothing couldn't stop the cruise here. Not even the hurricane. Melissa whoever, me don't care what she mean. You know how much. Oh yeah, Mixmaster J.
Listen again.
You know how you play. I would have run for the man general on the body stage here. I don't talk. I go, hey, listen me now. We're there, we are alive, so let's give thanks and praise. I'm Mixmaster J. This, the English general. Yo, J, play with him. Come on, don't talk in the dark. Man general. This, I would have run for the boy. Oh yeah.
Listen story.
I'm Mixmaster J. This. Oh yeah. Yeah, Mixmaster J. Tell you. Say no couldn't stop the cruise here. Not even the hurricane. Melissa whoever, me don't care what she mean. You know how much years we put in from October 20, the year 2014. Alright, that's how the journey did start. Shaggy and Sean Paul, all Jack did play a part. And Morgan Heritage did get it. Rest in peace, Peter Morgan. Before the ship sailed off, from them days the Jamrock thing up. You think one little hurricane could have make us stop? If we ain't on the islands, we go Mexico. Cause you know, I saw Jamrock go. Just tell them if you're glad you are life hands up. Yo, everybody back here is a hands up. I'm a Keep up with the news. This is Mixmaster J. In my select, if a dancehall reggae, if a rhythm and blues. Just remember this is Jamrocker. Big people thing. No flicker, no food, but no cheating. I pick up every single woman on the cruise. Me see what on the depot. Yeah, the free thing. So tell me if it's hands up. Yo, everybody make me nice hands up. I'm not in the run and talk for the team. What did you for a kid? You make me stop. What did you do? I told you. Represent this master chief so the boy can't take we have items with this and every control. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go there. Now big master chief make them know. I don't represent my nation. I don't know the thing about
I told you. No behavior. I come here looking at me, I know it's a mission. Listen, me and this girl in the house, I'm drinking this year. Listen, I'm all with jeans and my shoes are Gucci, I'm the search is Ruby. That's right, that's what I do, I'm a Gucci, I'm a lifestyle. I really to be hot. Listen, next class from the buffalo. So we get up when I never. My name is Valiant. And listen to me good. I'm a young person. I see a lot of beautiful ladies out there. We're gonna enjoy ourselves. Don't stuck up. We're gonna enjoy ourselves. I'm gonna represent for the whole of the people when they're in that place where they make money and they never go behind the back door to make money. Let me see someone say that. I'm here to sing for my ladies there. Listen. Let's go. Send for your bada. Girl, she no wanna hada. I'm Prada. We can't talk to my tight pussy girl. Where she have the best pussy in the West. Where she have the best pussy in the West. So where she have body never did like rest. Peace. Relax, calm and sustain because I'm talk to them. Ladies, see the fun I look like when I say, where am I sing more sex and them little thing there? Why? My name is Valiant again. I'm here to my dog boss. I'm here sick body. My daughter, the infant pick them. Listen me talk to the girl them. Where she have the best pussy in the West. Where she have the best pussy in the West. Where she have her body never did like this. Please, my relax. Come in and do that. I'm here such a good I am and could not do it. Best body power and hurt you. Now play with your heart and desert you. I like the queen pussy girl when them work out. Girl pimp on the cocky and twerk so. Listen, I would have fly whenever I spend our time with you. Give me a one job there. Who is she have? The best pussy ever. Please, who is she have? Me can't get a dancer at the same time. Pretty girls them know. I spend money and I'm back home. I'm still up here. I'm still walking on the side again. I found the pussy dancer. Listen, hey cat, but we keep over fuck. You know you're not too much. And that's a box, cause you know me think tough. Bustin' like you really like the fire pit. Yeah, come on me yard and if I make place. Catching on your toe, make it. Listen, I'm staying for your next piece. Don't think that I wish you are. The lumba, yeah. She want the lumba, yeah. She want the lumba, yeah. Lumba, yeah. I X-rated vice, not basic. Stop out your woman, can't come again. Say why you think that touch on? Turn it up, listen. Turn it up, say turn it up. Rockin' on belly, yeah, it's how we go. Girl, you still clean, can't tell me what we touch. Love you when you lean back. Roll, it's like you can roll. big van. I'm still a talk to my sexy girl, them same way. Listen, wait. I strong back in my back out, the cocky no feel from me open up, my chat again. I from the pussy now, turns on your body look. Turn up to get to tell your body look. Look at rules, she don't see a look at. She get high, got step on more. Ladies, I hate girl, but we kill her with. You know you mad. Head up for box, cause you know me thing. What's in your... Girl, come on me yard and never net flex. Back in your soul, make it name. I'm still a represent for the young son. Let me see some man sing like this, so. Welcome to Jamrock Cruise. Hands up there. Now when any bounce check. I'm going to the young son. Bounce check. Give me some man signals. I'm coming like some members at Jamaica signals. Listen up, man! Let's go! Don't shake it up, come to me, it's good. Wait, son of a don't play the shit, you know. Remember Jamaica. Any Caribbean people there in that place. Any bird bloom, any Guyanese, any hey, don't play the shit, you know. Because you don't say I make money, lit it. I eat and never see the stay, so can you know the money straight? Let's go! I'm shaking and come and make this call. Wait, son of now no know. Wait, back of the glass when I'm something. That girl is on the team around. Back the money out. I see no subject. To go down and make it just I don't want money on the subject. Yeah, you want money on the subject. That God, that dad, people, the frown. Science, we love listen to PDF files. You want this? We can't be so right. I know you're but listen to the NCS. Listen, I'm taking out what I make this for love sake. No. I'm back at the class, man, I'm subject. Level. Give me this. Trust me and Jamie. They know say, a dance I'm represent for. And for you can't defend yourself, let me see some hand signals here, so. We don't see hand signal there. For you, we can't test them, Jamie. We can't test them. Let's go. Yo, come in now. Glock, we can't let you back there, you know. The man I bring my body, so let me test it again. Let me test it. Remember to the Caribbean people that can defend themselves. Put the money in the estate, so. Come in, man. Too much money spent as if you leave up your blood self, you know. And me and the land show. Put up your hands, say, son of man. We can't get a one drop again. We can't test them. Wait, yes, sir. Crack 40 from the belly, but crack super, we're ready for that, she plays already. I agree for the dance, my mother. I let me see my people, yes, sir. I'm coming in on my back, Go get back to now, my brother. Listen, I'm going to shake you, come to make this whole wait, so no, what's up, I'm back at the glass, man, I'm something. England, girl, is not this man, she brought the money out, what's in the room? Just to go down and make she get wait, I know I'm money at the subject. Throw money at the subject. Wait, I love you guys so much. But we'll get back to the program now. Yes, we make a cappella this. Rough, but I know so them have to put up them on. My expensive beats in a Panama. I was still a buy lease to the dialer. I cheap on the 17. Rough cut for starting a man. I'm from the city, I like clean out people and put them on saying at the end. Put your hands in here, welcome to Jamrock! They say everybody will put up them on and then me a vibe with it. We are enjoying ourselves with Jamaica, we know that Jamaica is strong. But we see the MCS up, expensive beats in a Panama. I'm still a boy lease to the dialer. I she's on the 17 to the flyer back. Over the top, I took the flyer back. I will look at Jimmy and Tom Father. Tell us I'm too smooth, but it's better. Don't come rock, but it's better. What's that? Purpose is on. Carry the lens and see. When I'm for the police, I will know what we want. Yo, Jamrock, sing. lucky for years. And we all live for these years. Still living nobody living here. Over your son. I expect 15 in a Panama. I will still have my leads to the Diana. I keep 17 just a driver. Sitting with me, I just a driver. Oh, if it comes to me, I'm a foreigner. Yeah, I'm too small, what's the Canada? What's the Canada? Level. I'm still as when I look and I move those push. I like that. He's a madman, man. We can't get a one job. Hey! Move from my way. Me and my soul. Cut it. Don't ramp with my shift now. Remember some pull us up. Don't ramp with my shift. See it? Listen, my expensive beats in a Panama. I'm still a buy beats to the Diana. I trip on the 17, that's a flyer back. Yo, Jamrock, I just a flyer back. I'm with my catch for me, I'm a Panama. Yeah, that's super too smooth, what's the Canada? What's the Canada? Make some noise, welcome to Jamrock! Let's go. You're too insecure, open all your feelings. Away on me, you are. Ladies, I'm young now, sing. Now watch no man in here. We can't sing to the beautiful ladies in here. Watch it one now. Yeah, we should have gone. We should have lowered. Lose such a good man for your one night stand. Yeah, we should have gone. We should have lowered. Lose such a good man. Level, we made it lip sync now. Watch out. Me can't. You talk, and you don't deserve. You take me from a situation. It's funny how you come around and do the same thing, man. So the money and so when you sing, watch out, I know. So whenever you say biggie on me out, you abuse it, lose it, where you lose it. So when you listen, so I'm gonna tell you leave. Ladies sing, say you should have go guy, should have lower. Such a good man. Say you must have focused. Level it. Talk to the people. This is sometimes we man we fuck up the female and the mental enough time. There's enough female there. So, and when I think that no fun I go through that right now. No man I fuck man. But not like the reality, but me I tell them. But I'm toxic, I'm from Jamaica, my name is Valiant. I'm very toxic. If me, you can't live. You think we left. Me we just pull up anytime. You know where going? I saw my pull up there. So don't need me. So tell me what the fuck you find. I'm not doing you know. I have to party. Listen, you are the one. Listen, say we should have forgot, we should have lied, we lose such a good man. Say we should have forgot, we should have lied, lose such a good man. Rough cut, we can party again and kiss them. Let's go. Never. Me no. We can't get crazy. Make it stay, man. You know my brother. My young generation. Make it stay. Listen, let's go. I love my bitch, my favorite. No fuck, no sorry. I'm the pilot, I'm seen and I'm production. It's a place and a place and a go back. Just you know, just hold me and you go down. Tell you boom, fight like a Jamrock Reggae. She got me, the Godfather. Rifle away like a man. Anything where you drop, yeah, you don't back. I really don't flat. See, I wish you come for fuck, you can't black jack. I see I bring the fuck, me can't stop tapping. She love the fuck, she want. Trust me. You can test them again. Yes, yes. Ready. Fuck my bitch, man. Don't fuck no slut with no man. She knows that I'm not weird. Me and the girl them both. Girl them both. Let's go. Remember some know for party at the Caribbean I come from. For them that want to stush thing. Yo, Jamaica just go through and category 5. A party we have nothing in that small. So we say so. The girl see some bump up and six now. Me and the girl them bump up. I'm still around with my career, you know. At 34 hits, remember, I was still working. Yes, sir. Because it's a man thing that is up. Because it's a man thing that is up. Mama, it's up. Me and the girl left from. Me and the girl left from. And she a wine from me and I told her, yo, digital music don't turn it up. The party too nice. Me say, oh, I just turn one money gun. I'ma play with the pussy till the boom. Me love see the girl them from bicycle. I'm from a little girl and fight to me. I mean, I choke you and fuck you hard. As a big man, where you are up. The only man she pray to the Father. I'm a man. Jamrock, me and my push. Blood clot beat up. And you for know. So see it. I test it. Wait. What my bike? Oh, type on the bike back. Yeah. See, so see. Girl, oh, you know me come. See your pan back in the cocky run. Yeah. Welcome to Jamrock. Jamaica. Trinidad. Kenya. Bermuda. What is not your play like though? Rough, but you already know. Watch out. We're not right up in nobody, but we respect everybody. But we're not that everybody. So we can go to but we respect everybody. But we not that everybody. So we can, we're not born no more than that. We said no more than that. What do we think when we got them? We think that, oh yes, oh yes, you know. We're not about that long time. Watch out. Konshens with him, but me not have none. This, I never know if sort man them have none. Me a little boy, me stop run. So when me stop, me don't stop until everything drop down. Me don't know say me a no bad man. Level. If you love dancehall music, put up your left hand, so let me see. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Yeah. Now we not right up with nobody, but we respect. But we're better than everybody, so we can run away. Because no boy no better than. Before we continue, give me some more volume on them monitors here, please. You want to hear properly? When me talk to, me come to talk to. All my independent ladies, let me see you put your hands up one time. Watch out! Girl, if you don't push, me don't like you. If you can't mash, me don't like you. You can't defend yourself, me don't like you. I mean, you love girl, no. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Independent ladies,
dance and wind up your body like a show, so your body not up. Girl, when I'm afraid if I girl this you, or this a friend, somebody up. Well, me not like go on down. Level. The girl in my nose and a girl can't box on you, now your friend, real so. Look away. Look away. Oh, yeah, yeah. I like girl, that's not far away. Wally for style and do Wally for style and try. Happy for the go some of we feel like a high. Use of the bubble, we never tell no lie. This one is gonna let me try that time. Where the man girl let me know? Squeeze me short and sit up, look at me. Hey, pull up, stop it, stop. You see them all about 4 there? Put them in the pocket. Put them in the pocket. Now move phony. Oh God. Me say put all phone in the pocket. Take the memory in your head. You want me to see him, Sam? I know man them not tired. Ready? What me tell you to sit down soon here? Wally for style, do Wally for style, I try. Drop it on the ground and some quick you like a. We can do some bubble, we never tell no lie. This is what they can let me try. Next time I see them, yeah, you see. Squeeze me short and sit up. Ladies, do this. Bring down actually in on the start of that and your butt gets it in over. Come on. You play flat up. Put on the water and you know this is the cup. What you feel? Sit down. Watch it out. Squeeze me short and sit down. Pull up. Ready. We're not it. Get nice when you put money in your pocket. Yes, like. How we say, y'all, how we say, how we say, y'all, how we say, y'all. Jamrock, we say the y'all in my carbo. Right now we're in. But when you come call up on the rap. We say the y'all in my carbo. Reputation. All of the man, them love the woman, them gossa. Well, every man, well, love y'all, put your hand up. It's your family life and the ground when it's hard up. Any year, you your second chance. Don't follow me. Well, what I call me, say when me see the y'all, and the y'all, see me, tell me now, watch your chest. Give me the bigger legs, see me. Tell you about the fly, put the feeling, so come and tell the number. Watch out. Where you hear, girl, I say, a girl never get me, say me down there. Or see me try force round them. If a boy try to get no the shows that they're back. When me say artists, I fight go watch out. Why for the money? What the other girl them? It must be what me learn from me now. Yes, sir. The girl never come away. Right now. Ready? Hey, give me some more tempo on the whole show, yeah? Welcome to Jamrockers! This is dancehall! Big up all of the people from Guyana. Big up all of the people from Belize. Hold on, watch out. Trinidad people, big up on yourself. 5 pounds. All our people from Grenada. like that. Who there from Kenya? St. Lucia there. Bermuda there. You never know, say I'm Bermuda versus Jamaica in here tonight. Alright. Give me something different for you girls here, no man. Put some tempo on that. Yeah, man. All my independent ladies, can I see you put your hands in here one time for me? Whoa. We don't say no for them pretty on the outside. But I'm the devil on the inside. Oh, it's like me, no, not for a rock. Oh, the man don't have no money. So, look how she cute, look how she cute. I never know she would have come around and stress me. She pretty on the outside. What about you then? Look for them girl, the way you walk up and down in the street in a flip-flop and in a ceiling tree. People tell me how to break them, love me. All of them you think I put themselves from. Most of them, one intention, I want to share a part of the world. Put your hands up to the man. Oh, you know for them, pretty funny. But I'm for the devil funny. I said the house like me like a prayer of a roof. Look how she cute, look how she sexy. Level. Welcome to Jamrock. You play a song, big gangsta bus black, over the girl them time. Big selector up here, you know looky. Get she play a song, what she girl them a shoot it. When the girl them a dip it and a drop it. Funny man, we are so. Y'all are dash out some me glad me come on. Ready for this. Rock the liver, me now want to see those. We are the man out here, sing. Come here. Like we're not going enough energy. But we give them some more energy. Give them from top of it. What me dancer then now? Yeah, all the party. What me dancer? What me dancer? How me young them tell them what I look so? Who now do to me? Selector. Box out when I feed the garden. You know. You play some big dancer, that's black party garden. Big selector up there, you know. Get she baseline, watch she girl, them a show it. When the girl, them a dip it and a chop it. Why you want to see it up here? Girl, I dash out from it. Why you feel like I'm talking about? Road me, I'm in a party. We are the one of it, and it's all the go for me. Girl, they want them to pass me like me a fi see some of them right. Watch I want them with the wire waistline. Watch out to the young now. Cock up, girl. Welcome to Jamrock next Sunday. Canada shows how we got to go. Ready for the party. Road me if I me no want to. We are the banner. Love us. We all live over. What we got? Yo, how the party I look so? Yeah, how the party I look so? Oh, me girl them turn up on the... How am I so? Yo. Yeah. Nobody say yo! Yo! Pull up! Yeah? Hey, make some dance to Ali real quick.
All right, we're reporting live from the 10th annual Welcome to Jamrock Cruise, and I seen this man here completely destroy the place. He said tempo, and they had to turn up the tempo because he was going so hard.
Yeah.
What's going on, big man, Konshens?
Good day, my bro. How are you doing?
I'm great. Is this your first time on the Jamrock Cruise?
Second time, actually, and tonight I learned that it was the 10th anniversary, so big up to the whole Jamrock family. You know what I mean? I wish you 10 more years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How did you like the vibes? I know what I seen, and I know it was crazy. How did you like the vibes tonight?
I love the vibes. People love the theme, the all black vibes tonight out on the pool deck. Crazy, rough cut, you know, foundation band.
Yeah.
You know, Spragga Benz catalog is crazy. Spice deliver as usual, crazy as a queen. Yeah, man.
No, man, it was
vibes. Valiant, wicked vibes, everything nice.
I think tonight's lineup, dancehall night, was a real great one. It brought, like, from the 90s right up until 2025, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It gave you your respect, and especially seeing you with Rough Cut. When was the last time you performed with Rough Cut?
Long time, because most time when you see me with band, I'm my band.
Yeah.
You see? But, you know, this was a last minute thing. I want to make it work.
Yeah.
You know, come in because I was going to Jamaica and thing, and some of the artists could have come, so just running and did it. And Rough Cut as a band, we just, I don't know how them know every artist's song, every artist's music, so we just make it work.
Because you didn't rehearse or anything?
No rehearsal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I've seen lately. You started to get into a lot of content. What made you decide to get into content from what year?
The old people around me. Full stop, no lie.
Yeah.
Yeah. And, you know, I think more people are saying them being around me, them sides I'm around, nobody not see. I feel like I can share that.
Yeah.
And I mean, and them influence me for do it, so I try to find.
Yeah. No, because I see you, it's you and your wife. I see you in Carnival. You guys are doing all type of crazy things, but it looks like it's fun. It looks organic, like you're having fun.
Yeah, and it's true to me, and I like me, I pretend to be known, so that's how I live. So when I sit, I'm a real life. I'm just I turn on the camera.
Yeah. No, man, it looked like you hit a new gear in your personal life, in your professional life, just life itself. You look like you're really enjoying life, right?
I celebrate life. I celebrate all of the small wins, big wins, every moment. Cause I see your life precious, and by the time you're quint. Yeah, so I celebrate every moment, right?
Let's bring the queen of the dancehall, Space! Well, this is the original Spice Well Function. Shuffle of the neck. Come with it. Don't tell me which man ready to ackle up me back, me tell him. Me no back from body and me no take back no chance. Boom boom, hot up on the back when me cock up the body, and so me cock up on the baby. What is she a clean up here? She's up in my belly, Maki, never Maki. They want see me now, me little G-string. I want me to me little. So me have you whining on me heels and thing. Richie, play me low, man. I'm in a romantic mood. I'm walking with my baby down on the yard. I'm in a romantic mood. I'm talking to my. Up in the, and he must tear out the wall of me. He said the boy cut me up in the, and he must tear out the wall of me. One word. You know me now wear black, but we come out in a black to represent who do not tonight. And there's a reason why I put on the black, because you know I only wear blue. I feel to include myself because I also am mourn for my country, so big up Jamaica. Let me understand what Jamaica! You know we're gonna build back stronger. Let me take off my glasses and looking at the crowd. What type of audience we have in here tonight? Let's try to figure it out. Got them say Jamrock Cruise, but you know anywhere we go, me have to skin out. Drop it. And I want to know everybody and a bubble lad. Anybody here? Why anybody and I sit up on it? Boom boom so. Go take a picture, yeah, that's your face.
the baseline. Me a butter. More legs together, two and we are combined. Tear out me grind, make me back broke me spine. Skin out the pum pum, and the body me a bum bag a pum pum. And me body does a jump on us. Let me introduce you to my dancers. I know what I'm gonna travel alone. Let me introduce you to my dancer there. What my dancer them there? Hold up. This a the style, this a the style, y'all. This a the style, this me use and take for your man all the while. This a the style, y'all. Me lay down flat on the body like a polished pan-nail. Cocky begin and me really like wheel. Think me just a bubble shake like a snake tail. See wet like boat out and see where I sail. You wanna rub me like a genie, so me just open sesame. Yeah man, give me love under me. Under me, your man love under me. Small like a mosquito, this make you come quick and no bite no vampire. It clang like antenna, me like a car tire. Bend me up like a wire. Wine for me body, this a burn me like pepper. Yeah man love it, that's how your man love it. Yeah man love it, that's how your man love it. Yeah man love it, that's how your love it. He love it, he love it, he love it, he love it, he love it. So anytime you can't find your man in the VIP, in the position, in the VIP, in the VIP. Yeah man love it, and the intersection. Pull. Now when I got the call that I was coming to Jamrock Cruise, them tell me say, I will for decent people there. So them say me can't left one of the suitcase because you know me trouble with a big sheet. But through me unruly, me still carry the sheet. And me decide say me like broke out people. And through me looking at the crowd and me see some big respectable lady. But me know them a mother. So we know them do the nasty. Me start get picked me a crowd. So we know them over phone pub and them stop there. So this is the part where me go find a sheet and me go roll it out and show them how me do it when me there. So let me tell you this real quick. Even if you're there with your husband, you can't send him come let me for 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Me need somebody for wine pan real quick. Me need somebody who come here for enjoy ourselves. When they're on a ship, I will come here for enjoy ourselves. So I bring the sheet. See a volunteer, a girl that lend me her man, come to the front. See a girl that lend me her man, that means her man can wine and she's very confident. Me like that about you, girl. Send your man come lend me real quick. Come man, come to the front, don't get shy and nervous. The girl put up your hand that means your body in a bed. Come all the way to the front. Security, make him jump over. Don't flap your money now, because I look like him shy too. Can't do nothing. We have a competition theme. We're not a yard man, boy. What? We need a competition theme. Over the side there, one volunteer. They must say they want the button. Come, all the way to the front. Somebody send a man quick, come lend me. We can't have one man on a big ship like this. What is happening? Don't let us start getting nervous. You up there, so climb down and come down quick. All the way upstairs. What is upstairs versus downstairs? Security make the man that come up on the stage where I come from upstairs. Over here, so say them have somebody else, you know. What, Marasta, you shy? Him can't manage. Him can't manage. Him can't manage. Him nervous. Him a come. Come then now. And you know me love the Rasta them already. You know me have a little crush on the Rasta man them. Since you come first, we're gonna start with you. Where you from? I don't know. Toronto, Canada in the building! That's why I didn't want a competition theme, you know. I can't just make Canada alone come represent. Where y'all from? You know what I mean? The ship of Miami somewhere. Where are you representing for? Somebody said Brooklyn. So you never carry a man from Brooklyn. So we now have a Jamaica man on the ship. Why not try to tell me say? So that means you have to go represent for Canada real bad. Do you know why you're on the stage? Chosen one. Roll out the sheet. I know you like the way sheet. Beat up the fat boom boom underneath. So me have a beat every under the sheet. Bite bite just the lip and I see the off the sheet. Me man and them they smell good the sweet they shade. Me nah no older nah no stinky underneath. Yeah time, stop the good night let me tear up the sheet. Beat up the fat boom boom underneath. Man tell me, you can't let them young man in the where you wanna watch you. Go, stop out the meat under the sheet. Under the sheet, stop out the meat under the sheet. What you never do when me under the sheet. That is how you get under the sheet. Who question? I didn't handle it. Remember my woman down there, let him go quick. Remember your woman in the audience, don't get carried away. You're going real good. Give it up for the man from Canada. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Big up the girl who said him come. Big up you, you're very confident. Me like that boy, you are some girl feel very confident about them man. Big up yourself, and that me I talk about. Big up the whole of Canada, roll up the sheet. What the goalie fans them there? When they're there Jamaica, you have to pick a side. When the goalie fans them there? Big up the goalie fan them. But you know you're somebody thing there. When the Gaza fan them there? Every man grab a girl. And every girl grab a man come and down together man. And when I'm feel like so much when you come in on the wrong pension. Make sure you do what you walk and not chat. See no one else to make me. When you have to rub it hard, because you don't feel like that me Geefus fight, not because me do guitar. You put it on the left, and you take it on the right. Me nipple them a rhyme, send it up in a me dry. Did the appetite, every nipple get up. See them a figure, see me and a figure. Have it up. My body carry hiding. Do with your breast like me crushing iris. You are my mister. Kill me with the pocket, kill me with the tightness. And when you are gone, for something like this, stop fucking you. Cock in the bed, me we broke your back. Me we quit it up 2 times and pop your cock. Me we make you run out of me house in a half a frack. I can let a wine pan it and give your heart attack. Spice are you me love, you know if you do your stuff. Your pussy goes or sit squeeze like a hand glove. I tell her you me love, see them me cock it up for your rap club. The climax me gone, be a sweat around, the tight spot, you feel like you're gone. Now let you go, so don't. The 2-4 now. How me laughing? Cartel. Deal with your breast like me crushing upstairs. You are mine. You are mine. Kill me with the cocky. Kill me with the tightness. You know when you are gone. Oh my God. Cocky no play. Me we broke your back. Me we quit it up 2 times and pop your back. Me we make you run out on the house in a half a frack. I can never wine, pan it and give your heart attack. Every man grab a girl, and every girl grab a man. Man to man, girl to girl, that's wrong. Standing. Thank you very much. We got the king of dancehall anywhere in there. They don't know the thing already. Now most of you only know Ramping Shop, right? But then I want something I can't tell out. So we want to see the real Gaza fan, them chop the next one. Wanna know that one, yeah? Oh, yes, sir. Wanna know this? Come here, let me fuck you now. We carry up. Now only a long like a chosen story. And you must say, please skin out your glory. They want you come. We love you, you know me love you, don't it? Me love you, come. We love you, you know me love you, don't it? Me love you, come. They say you're real, I'm a shut up. Who was to pick a key up in a bicycle road?
and you breathe on your knee, the back has turn up. Make sure you're not weak, cause a hot back below. Every day I get a fire, all mattress burn up. Just come at the door quick like me call up hello. So me a beat, the fuck has to go. Me a wine on the beat, the bump on your door. You know poppin' shit, nothing can work so we gotta do. Who's like you a play domino? Boy baby, me a wine slow, and I wait on the long thing down below. Don't go fast if you never know. I know you are the bad boy Trevor too. I'm always high so we never know. My baby. Now you know me gonna perform the classic song them, but I also have new songs that I gotta introduce to you. Come understand, say that ship is very big on the fly from all walks of life. So you know we're gonna promote the new song them, big up the whole of the flag them and anywhere you come from. Big up you and big up your country, and thank you for always coming out to support any Jamaican movement. Yeah. So I got a new song. Make sure when you leave here you go look for my album called Mirror 25. I'm celebrating 25 years because of you. Thank you very much. Thank you. So this song is very new and it's called Goat. And we all know the meaning of goat. G-O-A-T means the greatest of all time. But you know I'm gonna put a flip on it as a queen a dancer. So I do a song for a girl that have the greatest pum pum of all time. So if you bring good picnic come here, you have a goat hole. This is for the great hole woman there. Me have the greatest pum pum of all time. G-O-A-T punny, that's mine. Fat fat punny punny buff underneath. Fat fat punny punny buff under sheet. Fat fat punny this a 10 pound of meat. Fat fat he buffy fat underneath. The man call me the goat. Put it in him no want take it out. The man call me the goat. Put it in him no want take it out. Me have a goat hole better than a girl throat hole. This a pussy better than the under control. Goat the goat the goat the goat hole. This a pussy a the cocky under control. Me boom boom a the greatest man say a the wave. Me have a G-O-A-T him say the tightest greatest of all time. A that up under my dress. Say me born best regardless me want no contest. And the bed me a the goat woman up like he a throat. Up me nipple like remote until he up it a float. When he wet up like a boat like it when him grab me throat. He must swear I take a oath. Say me punny a the goat. Fat fat punny punny buff under sheet. Fat fat punny punny buff under sheet. Fat fat punny this a 10 pound of meat. Fat fat he buff it he buff it. The man call me the goat. Put it in him no want take it out. The man call me the goat. Put it in him no want take it out. Me have a goat hole better than a girl throat hole. This a punny have a cocky under control. Goat the goat the goat the goat hole. This a punny have a. So big up all of the good man of them too. And if you pum pum great, you bring great picnic come here. And you take care of your picnic them and you're a good mother. So big up the great mother them as well. Now, this is the part of the show where every woman feel wine, broke out and skin out. No space now in here. We have to go create some space. All if you come in at the crowd with you, you have to create space. But you come here so for dance and enjoy yourself. So tell the person to brush up beside you. There's a time for you to bend over and wine. And let me tell you the rules to this song. If you're not bend over and shake your ass and wine, that means your pum pum stink. Because you know when your pum pum stink, you don't want the scent come out, so you have to stand up so. Drop indicator. The ladies want to wind up their waist. Any girl when I wife, your pum pum, you know what I want. Let's go. I got this keyboard. You know shake it up like a. Let's do the right move. Indicator. I raise it like a. Let's go. Move to the left and move to the right. Make a match start up like a cat. Indicator. Body firm. You hope that be like 60. Let's tie the jump. Pull up. Look for a nice lady here a while. What is your name? Patricia, where you from? We got the Georgia people them. You know what I like about you? I don't care if you want to share your age. If you want to share it, it's a blessing. Because you look like a grown-ass woman, but you look good. And you beard and put on your clothes. And you come out here, whine and shake your ass, and me like that about you. Do you want to tell the people them an idea of your age or your past?
Now them know the black don't crack.
October 11th, I'm 70 years old.
I don't know if you hear her or is the cameraman, can you find her? The one you put her face big on the screen. Say your age again for the people in the back. But some young girl in here stand up with them foot shut and I know why. Tell them your age again, mommy.
October 11th, I'm 70 years old.
Give this woman a round of applause. You look good. You smell good. Your body nice. Black don't crack. You're beautiful. You come out strong. You're clean. You look good. Everything about you. Me like your melanin a glow and everything I show. Me why you dance with me on the song, yeah. Cause you make me feel good. You see my country in a be eruption. Me don't come out here really cause me happy. Me come out here because me love you know. Remember me could have said me nah come. Remember me family them house blew off. And this thing come off at this house. Remember one heap of people there up Jamaica ball right now. But you lift me spirit when me see you 17 in the crowd. You can whine with me? Play it again. The ladies want to wind up their waist. Open up the middle.
Hurt your feelings.
Let's go. I got this thing on the back. You know shake it up like that. Get to the right, move like you did. Fly race like a safe player. Get to the left and move to the right. If you hear somebody very hard, try to fuck me get 62. Let's try that jump, right side that jump. That jump. Hey, what's all the thing now with it? I'll never forget you. What is your name again? Patricia, thank you for lifting my spirit. I love you. Give Patricia a round of applause. Please again, Richie, more test over the side there. The ladies want to wind up their waist.
Hurt your feelings.
Me tell them that Jamaica ball with they are. So, I got this key round the back here. We don't shake it up like a left to the right, move like indicator. My waist like a snake when you walk out. Switch to the left and you move to the right. Like a match start show, move like a cat light. If the ears are very firm, the foot no be like 64 nigga like. Left side that jump, right side that jump. Pull up. Me have to show sheep on the camera now, you know why? The Rasta them say, the Rasta them not enjoy themselves and them very cultural. So we want to change the narrative and make them see this beautiful black queen out here dance. Put the camera up on the lady now. Find her. No, you know. I wish I could have taken you up on the stage. How quick is it for you to come around? Right here. Walk this way. Walk this way. Don't worry yourself. Come right here. Get here somewhere. Big up yourself. I love you. Let through the Rasta lady here. And sometimes we don't tell life on Rasta. Let through the Rasta lady here real quick. Security, help her up on the stage. Bring her up all the way. Bring her up all the way. Me can jump up. Bring her up all the way. All I want to lift her up and put her up on the stage. What are good enough? Don't play on yourself. No, you lift me up. Me at 200 pounds. And I really have to work for morning. So see your exercise. Lift me up. This beautiful lady. Thank you. Sheriff, big up yourself. The 70-year-old woman, I could see she was a little shy. But she should have been on the stage too, so you can see that the people is out here really dancing and enjoying themselves. Now I saw you in the crowd, and there's this cliche about Rasta. People see you in your locks, you look poised, you look very chic, mature woman. They would have never expect you to be out here and dance and party with us. But when I look at you, you was waving your flag, you feel proud, and you feel airy, and you are dance. But everybody didn't get to see what I saw. You lifted my spirit. I love your lipstick. You saw you put on the red, gold, and green. Give it up for this woman. Do you mind sharing celebrating your age with us as well. How old are you?
67.
Richie, you're not gonna tell people say you come at Jamrock Cruise and you see a 67-year-old woman a dance and enjoy herself, you know. You're not tell nobody this, you know. Play it, I want to make sure you see, play indicator. The ladies want to wind up there. Mommy, me want you dance with me. Give me some space. You ready? Let's go. I got this to you. You're beautiful, Sonia. Thank you for coming out and celebrating with us at Jamrock Cruise. Give her a round of applause, please. I want a picture with her, intermission. Come take me a Sonia picture, please. These memories mean a lot to me. I should have gone and take one with the 70-year-old woman too. Alicia, can you take a picture with me and Sonia real quick? I'll never forget this night. And I'm coming back to take a picture with that 70-year-old woman as well. Thank you all so much. Give it up again for Sonia. Well, it is, so let me check for my time. Remember my catalog big now, you know. Who's running the stage? Who want to know how long me have? Where the stage manager there? How long me have? Curtis here, where? Drop something else, Richie. The legal life, pump, the legal life. Tight tank, we go all tight tank. The legal life, pump, the legal. 67-year-old a wine. Let me see you now. Lick it up, look up, me back it up, me tap it up, me rock it up, look up. Pull up. Dancers, I don't want to fire you tonight on the spot. Want you with me? I don't play about my craft. You on the stage too long. There's people over here that can't see you. There's a sound box right here in the corner. You can go put your head over there, so I don't come off your head till me tell you stuck over there. Play it again, Richie. I wanna rap with legal eye, pump, the legal. Come right here, son. I'm gonna right beside that legal. Who don't want the people that over here so I see over? Go, lift it up, look how me back it up, me hack it up, me rock it up, look how me. I'm lift it up like it's a carrot. I make the cocky and take up like a balloon. Feeling that the shimo, we have the chin and the bread. What you know, people give them a party. You know, who really don't care, we have cocky take a red. Boom it and a bubble and a roll it like a train. I saw me go on me. Come and sit down and just wine for the money and me tap for the love. I saw me go on me, get for your man. Wine for the money. Catch money, catch money, catch money, catch money. I'll be hot money, catch money, catch money. Pull up! Give it up for my dancers.
Well, kick your back and take it easy, so that's why I'm almost just you're not close. Be a while. If I'm going to try the vibe. Jamrock. You don't have to bust that gun today. You don't have to kill no one today. And so I can almost safely say that today was a good day. I didn't have to reach that clock today. I could have keep my arm and locked away. And so I get one more chance to pray and deal with it family. But if I die, should I die tomorrow? It's gonna be pain and sorrow. Cause when I get back, I get fiercely and right. Tell them say nothing I go sour. Road boy now behind and follow. The expose as I rain and follow. And so I pull better careful with him line. And if it right it up. Hey yo! Jamrock Cruise! Alright, everybody put together.
I'm so lucky I find so can't let me never find with a lie. Watch it from a satellite on with a lie. I feel like I'm with the fun night on with a lie. Y'all are coming up with sight and it ain't full of pride. Y'all let me like a fight like all with life. I got with you so much time, yes I will lie. Feel a money like I'm gonna like me over life. Y'all will step up in a life, y'all will put up in your wife. When I'm in the good feel nice and we like. When I'm free top on the mic and we like. When them can't write on the mic and we like. When them know when to take a hike, we don't keep free overnight. To a week one, they must say we're sex crazy. I'm still loving me, not tired and lazy. Y'all get freaky, I try for your matrix. The ex of my mother, no fear, sir. What you want to do, when you mean that we never have. Y'all are making food like the back of my church, you know, see. I see the power you get the world. Up on the balcony, come, we don't lie. Watching from a satellite, and we don't lie. When I just feel like a whip of a night, and we don't lie. When a nigga getting over, I pass away at on the trailer. Well, we don't lie. Watching from a satellite, and when I just feel like a whip of a night, and we don't lie. Y'all are coming on with side. Go for them. Alright. That's how we are got them. You up all of them and them will defend the woman them, you know. Kawa. Cause some boy, you go like them bad and some boy. All the man say warm and some boy. When you talk about them dead and some boy. When you chain off the dress. Some boy, you took down the girl and some boy. When you come and look at the wall and some boy. I tell you them a war and some boy. When you want to hear the story. Boy, the party corner like a fool in my perch. If you want to pass, so we might make them a search. If they see a fool, I know we will not a perch. It's a half a wicked kid, they go up on the hurts. No, we come and run it back on the playing dudes. They come and try this thing, I'm on the bruise. They went like if a boy I could love to you. You ain't see us nothing on all the shows. Cause some boy, I want like them bad and some boy. When they look and feel I'm on some boy. When they talk about them dead and some boy. Come on, some boy. Don't think you're a some boy. When them a look and feel I'm on some boy. When them a tell them I love some boy. I'm for the beautiful ladies, them want to go today, no? Yo, Jamrock Reggae ladies, when them swim through that time. Ladies! Oh man, think that boy you are born in a ten, are you for that? Oh man, ladies, right the hands in the air, let's go! Kiss the child, beautiful ladies! Hey! Hey! Hey girl! Hey! Oh man, think that boy you are born in a ten, are you for that man? Everybody got think that one you are born for the principal. Hey, think that one you are born with not tell that you full of one man so sexy body got think that one you are born the principal. Wow, crazy man, how you get your body? I pick up like a gun and the melody in it. I don't money in my spell, now your body good ya. Hey, I'm gonna carry you on my knee. Now I'm spend it again and live wisely. I know what I'm again. That made you better than them. Hold up your hand if you know that problem. Y'all think I'm all you have on. Look, sexy money on. But me just hold up your hand if you know the problem. Ladies, ladies, ladies. It look like what? Problems on the ship or what? Okay, bounce it up. Bounce it up. Before we go any further, we are having a good time. But I want to send out my prayers to the people in Jamaica. Yeah? A lot of people on the ship right now, they're in sorrow. And the last thing. See me? So prayer for those people going home to disaster. But so right now, like over there, we just have to give thanks to the moment because we have life. Alright? So we continue. Well, anyone with your boyfriend chat to me for from you and if they him no want them no more. Every night time him a knock on your door cause you always have the better love in so him a big glad that you come on the scene. You come out and fulfill your dream. You make him really know what it is. All that somebody put together with you. Think I want you a goal when I tell you that you put a one man to everybody. Think I want you a goal to the free body. Don't play one two. Think I want you a goal. Oh, your body good, yeah, don't take your body down. Think I want you a goal. Good time tonight. definitely don't want a man with your marriage. The man will eat the fish and eat the parrot. All night long. All the water man, all the good and strong. All the water man, to make the sing like song. All the water man, to make the more than a sing on the toe. To the telling girls of land. All the water man, make the good and strong. All the water man, to make a inside man. All the water man, to not eat good. Give me the sweet time. That is our concern. I man say, when I really want a man, really go get it. When I really want a man, to shout out to get it. The fish and in the parade all night long. But when the time get cold, when the want a man to have fun to hold, no one man to out the road and search and control. When the want a man to come and roll, they will be ball, bowl. In the morning when the sun starts to rise, go and then around just go for the rise. Oh yes, when the ball make the ball, make the ball. We're not ready now, the time I show what we know. I know my sheep don't get it. Stop like a jelly. Jump on the door. Jamrockers. When you love dancehall music, do you love dancehall music? Jamrockers! Well, this is not all dancehall, but dancehall you have to go on bad and do your worst. You know that? So you have body girl, them out of season. When that season, you have no ambition. But this man I never get creation. As I was in the out of white table, she and her friend them try up life. I want like she said, well, but they have this. Dance dance. Come on, come on. Everybody wants this. Even a minute, me a push it in still. Nothing like a hour of the radical chill. Make me sleep better than a couple night quill. Tonight supposed to nice can be a release of update. And me after 5 months every pick I look here. When me pass the house and go to the corner and go here. But it's a proper job, I'm popping on the bed. It's going to the all day. Happy find something. We're up to catch them. All day. Happy find something. If I'm not coming and I'll be all around it. Are you ready? Yo, Jamrockers! Go on to everyone and go down. Hey. Over there, so yo. Go back. Over there, so. This is what we do. Let's go and then let's see how them matters. Long way up, don't try to have them go. Sure! Ready now? Yo! All of the girls tell me that Jamrockers. Hold up your hand. Come on, girls. You know, they must find a girl on the cruise tonight, you know. Yeah, cause the girl never feel alright, you know. Driving me crazy. Don't me say, search out them ends and seek out them matters. Love in them just like all them no chatter. Special request you want the girl watchers. And the female, no never hatters. Believe me, you see a camera setters. Looking like a rebel in a shorts and slippers. See the one I write a dozen love letters. Somebody. Never see, never curse, never fight them. I mean, they back in the walking behind them. Back in the days, I would have been but not anymore. Walk around and circle around, that's every garden. Take it from a dance out there, girl. Out them out and when you move a island. Oh, dog like me, we have to have a little food and food. Oh, dog like me, we have to have a little food and trade. And everybody know we wild already, believe you me. One man in your life, and you are give everything, and so you don't need that. No. Because them claims that them love dancehall, right? Yeah, no. You didn't hear when them sister, right? Yeah. So them supposed to know these songs, right? Okay. So it's not my songs. But you me love dancehall. We love it. You know them. So help me sing them. Sing along. The one that you want. Man in your life. So you don't need us. So can't see that try. Don't see the way. You can give the time. And I'll be afraid to knock on that door. Your love is strong. Now that you live, we'll live in me. Drink. Well then, now you I know that I don't like you. It's a mother who loves. Jamrockers, make some noise! Yo, I'm fun me there if you haven't know about you. You ready that shot? Hey! Everybody put the flags in here! Put the flags in here! Bring it on! Down here now! Bahamas! Bermuda! Yeah! Who wants to every flag? Every flag! Represent your country right now. Every flag who wants to wear. Show everybody who has a flag. We have a flag. A carnival. Yeah, straight it out. Hey. Just hear something. Get on the flag. Never up. Hey. Pushing everything. And if you think you're gonna run away from me, you better change your mind. You're going down. You're going down with me. Let me hear you over here. Come on, sing. Let me. Why you not
tonight, Jamrock. Can he leave? Jamrock Cruise, can Spragga Benz leave? When I say Spragga, you say Benz. Spragga! Spragga! Oi! Forward here, man. Badness now work tonight, yeah? Give me another idea. Hey, hold on. Jamaican people. You see we have a special brand. Nothing about the way. Jamaican man. Our agenda is out there. We're not going to speak much on it tonight. But this song identifies us. So if it identifies you as a Jamaican man, and if you come from another island and it identifies you too, you can, sing along, can easy for learn. Right. Yeah, man. Can you speed it up for me? Can you see this? A spear. And this is the culture of Jamaican music. You see me? I want the name. Boom boom kankara, boom boom kankara, boom boom kankara, boom boom kankara, boom boom fat, boom boom slim, boom boom bushy, boom boom trim, boom boom black, boom boom brown, boom boom heavier than 100 pounds, boom boom kankara, boom boom kankara, boom boom kankara. Slow. Wouldn't I like it? All of the man them, if you like the song, want to help me sing it. And want to do, I just say, boom boom kankara, I don't want to hear it. Come on, you have never sing it. What now? Boom boom kankara, boom boom kankara, boom boom kankara, man a boom boom kankara. Boom boom fat, boom boom slim, boom boom bushy and boom boom trim, boom boom black, boom boom brown, boom boom heavier than 100 pounds, boom boom kankara, boom boom kankara, boom boom kankara, boom boom kankara, boom boom skinny and boom boom fat, boom boom tight, boom boom slack, boom boom rich and boom boom poor, boom boom no fun me still want more, boom boom kankara, boom boom kankara. No care how hard. Weeks and months them a drop your card. Bring them friends at the boom boom yard, but from them slip and come in on the yard. Boom boom kankara. Well I know. Yes, some talk about them just one friend, but me a go through the game with them. Everything nice, everything blend, and they sure run up on the big bend. Boom boom kankara. Boom boom. Kula. Yes, some talk about them of them man. Too little talk of me change them plan. Walk them good and me walk them long. Yeah, you know the man get bad. Boom boom kankara. Boom boom kankara. That's it. That's just a bit of interaction, you know. Yeah. I'ma say that to say this. You understand where I'm coming from? What? Yes, you understand where I'm and tell them, when we lay in them funny guy thing, fat man over. Yo, all of the youngsters over in the place, you know? All night tonight. Yo, Spragga Benz sing and tell them this. When we lay in them funny guy thing, fat man over drinks string. Yo, man, when I join the automatical system and bring soul and fire that I bad man now we are like that I got this from all of them clay. They are singing it again, they are singing it again. And tell them say, well we know all of them funny guy thing. Yeah man, we are trying to automatic and system of brimstone and fire that I got bring. Now mix and bring the wind free. Tell me, that I got this from all of them clay. Them know I know man to girl, them say no. When them see another man, them like say go. Father God gonna make them want overthrow. Them a gonna get a better road. Let us stay far out of bad man way. See them kind of ball, yeah, bad man now play. We now bow down to them, now beg them no way. Them a set me up with train for the coming down for the guy thing. Yo, man, we are trying to follow what they call. And the girl them side. And the ladies them side. Well, I guess it would be nice if I could touch your body, going on everybody. Got a body like you, got a body like you. Then I gotta think twice before I give my heart away. I know all the game you play because I play it too. Oh, but I need your kind of that emotion. Can't you get my heart up on
kids from London town, Dory. Dory Brown, it was her birthday as well, so let's celebrate. The same year as King Jammys as well. So see you there. Happy birthday, Dory. The next generation, big up yourself, you know. Big up the whole Marley clan, the whole family, and all of the people who organize this in the crisis and circumstances. Round of applause. Folks in the selector.
Well, this is the talk about the players. Party years, this is the who got the marriage today?
Sling Ting!
I walk! Hear this now.
Anniversary
it. Anyone. You can't tell us how the can't plug on you to not fight. You can't tell us how the can't plug on you to
No true. No true. Well, this is the conclusion of night 3 of the 10th year anniversary of the Welcome to Jamrock Cruise. We've seen a lot of people, we spoke to a lot of people, we did a lot of interviews, and we've seen a crazy stage show with Valiant, Spice, Konshens, and Spragga Benz. Trust me, check out the footage and you will enjoy it. Thank you for watching.